Everybody, it's Mr. Marshall at Stony Lane. I want to talk to you a little bit today about math, okay? Because last night my daughter and I were working on her homework, and she had a story problem in her homework. She's in fourth grade, and we were just trying to think of ways that we could solve this, okay? And so today we're going to kind of go through that, all right? So this is the problem that she had in her homework, and I covered up the numbers because I don't want you to think about the numbers yet. I want you to think about how you'll solve it, all right? So it says Juliana has a box of something craft sticks. Like there's a number there. There's a number of craft sticks in a box. Okay. She uses them to make a project. When she's done, she has blank craft sticks left. How many did she use for her project? Okay, so what do we know? We know that Juliana has a box, and this box is filled with craft sticks. Okay, like popsicle sticks. And she uses a bunch of them to make a project, right? It says that when she's done, there's like still craft sticks left in the box, right? And the question is, how many did she use in her project when she made like a house or something? Okay. So I want to think, is the answer going to be bigger or smaller? Like if she has like a box full of craft sticks and she uses a bunch of them up, well, the answer is going to be a smaller number, right? So when I'm trying to figure something out where it's a smaller number, am I probably going to add or subtract? Well, if I'm getting to a smaller number, I'm going to subtract. Because if I add, then she'll have more. And like if she's using up the craft sticks, she's not getting more, she's getting less. Right? Does that make sense? So now I know I have to subtract. And I have to subtract one number from the other. Okay. So now that I know it's a subtraction problem, let's take a look at the numbers. Ready? So I'm going to show you the numbers now, taking the post-its off. It says Juliana has a box of 213 craft sticks. She uses them to make a project. When she's done, she has 99 craft sticks left. How many did she use for her project? So, right, I'm going to subtract 99 from 213. Okay? But, oh no, 99. I'm going to have a lot of borrowing to do, right? I'm going to have a lot of regrouping, and, right, because this is what my problem looks like 213 minus 99, right? But so with all the regrouping, like there's a bigger chance that I might make a mistake if I'm not careful. So maybe there's another way that I could solve this problem. I'll tell you what it is. 99 is one of those tricky numbers because I have to pay close attention because the numbers are big and it's easy for me to make a mistake if I'm not careful. But what I can do is think, well, what number is 99 close to, right? We call that a benchmark number. I'm going to write that word here for you. Benchmark numbers are numbers that are easy to work with. Benchmark numbers are numbers that are easy to work with. So I'm going to think, well, what number is 99 close to that's sort of easy to work with? That's a benchmark number. So 99 is right next to 100, right? It's right next to 100. And what do I know about the relationship between 100 and 99? I know that they're just one away, right? 99 is right next to 100. So what I can do, instead of subtracting 213 minus 99, where I could easily make a mistake, I can do in my head. I can say 213 minus 100. I don't even have to write that down because I know that 213 minus 100 is what? It's 113, right? It's 113. So if there were 100 craft sticks left, there'd be 113 in her project. But were there 100 craft sticks left? No, there were 99. So that means I have to give one back. So I'm going to add one to that. So that means she used 114 craft sticks for her project, right? So, and then I can do the regrouping, or I can use a calculator to check my answer, okay? But just to check it, and if I did, I would find that it's the same. Okay, do you see what I did? Do you see what I did? I thought about a number that I knew really well that was close to 99. It was 100. I thought about what I knew about the relationship between 100 and 99, that they're right next to each other. So I did the hard work with 100, and then I just added the 1 back because it was 1 away. Okay, you can do that with lots of different kinds of numbers, right? Numbers that you know well, like maybe you know 10 really well, or 20 really well, or 1,000 really well. And if you use those numbers that are close to the number that you need, then you can figure out the problem by thinking about the relationships of the numbers that you know. Okay. All right. So why don't you try something like that next time you see a story problem with a number like that? And I'll see you next time.